large roll automatic unwinding and rewinding system, designed to reduce manual loading time and significantly improve production efficiency. With a simple, user-friendly structure, the system supports continuous material feeding and printing. Frequent manual roll changes are no longer required, minimizing downtime and keeping production running efficiently. Stable clamping throughout the entire process ensures neat and even unwinding and rewinding. Printing runs smoothly without interruptions and image alignment remains accurate with no drifting. Even during long-hour operation, materials stay flat. For more product information, feel free to contact us at any time.